Okay, this is room 607 at the Hotel Mio. We're going to take a look here. This is a Deluxe Panoramic Bay View. So we come in the door. First to note real quickly is that like a cruise ship, all air conditioning and electricals are worked by putting a card in the wall. A lot of cruise ships have done away with this now, but a lot of them still do have it, and California hotels are really big for having this too. So we look over here to our left. We have a restroom. And then we come in, there's a big closet here and an area that you can, put your stuff, your bags and whatnot. You have a personal safe there. Of course, we bring our own as well. We'll look here real quickly right off the main room. We have a really big shower. We can literally walk inside here. You'll remember how much I loved the one in Margaritaville in Gatlinburg. This one's about as big, maybe just a little bit smaller, but double sink, vanity, that's always nice. Waters are included. We've got our typical little area here below the television, king-size bed, nice USB ports next to the bed. Love that. A lot of American hotels do not have power on both sides of the bed, which really drives me crazy when you're trying to charge your phones at night or whatnot, so that's very convenient. Let's take a look outside. So we've got double sliding doors here, and I think I just locked them. So double sliding doors. Again, we're on the 6th floor, so we took a look out here. And there's the bay view. Now, right in front of us, I believe, is the Fiesta Americana, family-friendly hotel. And you can, from here, walk straight up to the beach if you want through there. But beautiful, beautiful bay view there. Nice green, lush area to look out on. Of course, we do have the traffic of the main roadway to the left, but what you see right there is a large mall. Lots of stores, grocery, so walking distance to get whatever you need. You know, we love that about Hacienda. So once again, this hotel has all that. Looks really comfortable. We'll give you some other reviews. We'll look at the top pool deck. The pool is on the roof. We'll take a look at that here soon.